Fucking two-stroke bong rip. Don't copy that, kids. It's foul. But I'll do it again, just for the camera.
I know what this is called, mate. This is called safety third.
Safety third, safety last.
Have the old safety
Oh,
squints
for
on.
safety. Show him the old quick can trick.
No, trust me, you heat it, don't go mental.
Just put it in the fire.
Only because it's cold out.
We hold the downpipe on today. Does it go? Just about.
Sweet.
Just to soften the paint out, it's sats in.
Right, where's the fucking crack spoon for the tea?
Yeah, it's in the crack spoon, isn't it, Phil?
Whoa, you sure? How many sugars do you want with your fucking tea?
We've got our own sugar on the spoon.
But it's so dark, the bloody camera didn't even pick it up. Oh.
Fire out the welder. Fucking old welder.
I'm not doing shit, if that makes me 100 quid. Wow.
That's some proper
Ghetto welding.
Basta tutti to the left. I don't think that's fucking lyrics. Just went,
fucking two-stroke bong rip. Don't copy that, kids. It's foul. But I'll do it again, just for the camera.
oh, fucking Muttley like fucking that as well.
It drives as soon as you're in gear.